Summer is fast approaching. Are you ready to show off a beach-ready body? Dr. Stephen Davis of Davis Cosmetic Surgery, Plastic Surgery, is here with a new way to help you look your best. And Dr. D, you say there are a lot of women who come into you and they're really concerned about their bust line.
Yeah.
What impact does that, if it's not exactly the way they like it to look, how does that make them feel?
Well, there's a brand new way of really crafting the patient's cup size. And it's not just by doing what the old-fashioned breast implants, let's say, would do. Mm-hmm. Nowadays, what we can do is we actually take all the patient's measurements into account. Their height, how wide their chest is, are they very athletic, things like that. And we can actually make the breast as youthful and perky as they would like. And that's what most people really want now, is to just restore the breast after maybe multiple pregnancies and some weight loss, so it really looks perky, youthful, and ready to go for summer.
So it's really not a one-size-fits-all.
Not
so how
anymore.
do you begin to approach, there are women who are smaller, there are women who are taller, there are women who are broader. How do you approach that?
Right, and they all, let's say, want to be a size C cup. So how do you do that? That's exactly. So the idea is we have a brand new way of what we're calling cup crafting. It's new technology, new implants that allow us to actually get the same size per cc implant in a smaller bag or a wider bag, depending on the patient's frame.
Okay, so explain it to us. We do have some samples here of the implants.
Here's a perfect example. To people at home that are watching, these are actually the exact same cc size implants, but they're all in a different width bag, or what we like to call projection. Mm-hmm. So this would be for someone that has a much wider chest, and this one over here would be for someone who has a narrower chest, but still wants to be that same cup size.
Well, we do have some after shots of some women who have actually gone through this procedure, so you can really kind of get a sense of what it is that they look like.
Right.
So let's just walk through these. So
right. So these girls exactly have what we have on the table here, is that these are all different size girls, and they all are basically a C cup. But one of them is 5'9" in stature, the other one's 4'11", and the other girl's like 5'4½".
Right. And so the point of all of this is that a woman should be able to have an enhancement if they're looking for that, or a reduction if they're also looking for that. You know, to be able to fit the contours of their body.
Exactly, and we're able to do it now quicker and easier, so they really are ready for summer, because we can incorporate these even into a little bit of a lift, even into a little bit of reduction. You can still put something in that gives them the size that they want.
All right, Dr. Stephen Davis, thank you. Thanks very much. For more on Davis Cosmetic Plastic Surgery, you can go to cbsphilly.com. Just click on the Talk Philly. We'll have more right after this.